Nag-comment din dun sa isa kong video na sabi niya, parang mahirap daw na wala akong sariling pera since ano nga, diba? Ako ay isang stay-at-home mom and wala akong work, so wala akong sariling pera at hindi ko mabili ang aking gusto. Ayan, so baka may magtanong na naman bakit hindi ako nag-vlog sa loob ng bahay. Sinagot ko na. Everyone, welcome to Zayda's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. Today is the 3rd of July and it's Wednesday.
Ask me a question and let's start vlogging.
Because you're not answering immediately. So bukas ay 4th of July na, holiday. Kaya nagkaroon sila ng extra day off. So maaga siyang nandito sa aking mga in-laws kasi meron siyang ginawa doon. Inutusan siya ng aking biyanan na lalaki. Ano pa lang, mga 10 o'clock. Tapos ngayon is 1 PM na. Kakarating lang namin ni Zayda. Sinundo ako ng aking mother-in-law. Ayan si Zayda. Zayda, say hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Baby, hi to the vlog. Hi. Ayan, so magda-driving kami gamit itong pickup truck. Diyan lang sa forest. Meron na naman akong pimple dito. Lagi ako nagkakaroon ng pimple dito sa aking chin area.
Tara.
What?
Tara.
Tara? Oh, let's go. Tara. Hindi ko alam kung magmo-motorcycle ride ulit kami ni Love kasi pagod na pagod siya. And yung kanya daw arms is very sore. So parang
the battery was dead.
Tapos ito palang battery ng pickup truck.
But maybe it'll start.
Namatay daw. Nawala ng battery. Nawala ng charge. Nawala ng karga ang battery. Love, tell them how's the status of your arms.
My arms hurt because I was doing very difficult labors. And I don't normally do difficult labors because my job is very easy. And I have to work hard. I'm in a lot of pain afterwards, such as right now.
Ayun, kawawa naman sila. So hindi nga namin alam kung makakapag-motorcycle ride pa kami. Kasi iwanan namin ulit si Zayda if ever dito sa aking mother-in-law. Diba baby, may iwanan naman ikaw? May iwanan naman ang ating pretty Zayda. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Maganda ba ang araw ninyo? Holiday dito sa US bukas, the 4th of July. So, yung ating mga viewers dyan na andito sa United States, ano ang inyong plano sa holiday? Diba may mga pa-fireworks yun pagka the 4th of July. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin bukas. Sabi nila gusto niyo daw parang mag-bonfire. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano ba ang aming gagawin sa holiday. Now, what are we gonna do at the 4th of July? Gonna we watch fireworks?
I'm gonna stay in bed all day.
You said we're gonna make fire.
Look at this little spider. It's trying to eat this giant fly. But there was a big giant spider that caught this fly, but I came around and the big spider got scared because I was opening and closing the door. So now the little spider is trying to eat the big spider's catch.
So yan, driving tayo. Baka meron na naman magtanong, bakit hindi ako nagba-vlog sa loob ng bahay? I don't know.
You close your door is open.
And maganda ang weather ngayon, bilang summer na nga.
See all this? I cut all of that. There used to be stuff there, and now there's nothing there, and that's what I cut.
Did you mow the lawn?
No, there's fucking trees and blackberry bushes and weeds and a million other things. Like all this shit, look, all this stuff like here. Why are you looking at me? You're supposed to be looking
Because
at
I keep on saying
what I'm pointing at.
saying bad words. Ayun yung mother-in-law ko. Pupunta siya sa grocery store. Dito naman tayo sa middle of the forest. Ito ang Natchog State Forest. Ito rin kami nag-walking last night.
Closed at sunset.
Ha?
That's maybe it was always.
Tapos meron palang isa na nag-comment dun sa video namin. Medyo matagal na yun. Ano, kung marami daw bang mulberries dito, love. Are there a lot of mulberries here?
I don't know what a mulberry is, but we have some blackberries. More than we used to. When I was young, we only had like a little bit of blackberries, and now we have, you know, a good amount. I don't know why that is, but
So it's all over the forest. Oh, love, is it all over the forest?
kind of, yeah. It's blackberries.
Ay, blackberries, not mulberries.
Do you think the truck is gonna start up now that I turned it off?
I don't know. Try it.
No, we might only have one chance.
What one chance?
What if we try to start it up now and then it's the second time does not start up? So we should only try one time, but we're ready to go. How come it's so difficult for you to roll down a window?
I think I already did it all the way.
You did not, obviously.
Let's go. You take a photo.
Maybe.
Dito kami sa may dam. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ang hirap naman. Love, I cannot unlock it. Love! How do you unlock this? Ang hirap i-unlock.
Might not be the lock, it might be the door.
Ay, is it? Ano ba yun? So, andito tayo sa may dam. Ito yung pinuntahan namin dati na hindi kami bumaba kasi may ibang mga tao. Ayaw ni Love. Ano to si Love eh? Takot sa ibang tao. So, ayan siya. What do you call this again, Love?
Beaver Dam Marsh, but it should say Beaver Dam Swamp. Because it's not a marsh, it's a swamp.
Yan.
You'd think the person who makes up the sign would know the difference between a marsh and a swamp. The person who names it.
Why? What's the difference of a marsh?
A marsh is by the ocean and totally different. A swamp is what this is. Swamp is all kinds of different stuff, but a marsh is specifically like grassland by the ocean that's waterlogged. So it's totally different.
Love, put it on.
She doesn't want to go down there. Look, it's all long. She's gonna get bit by a bug.
Ay, napaka-arte talaga nitong tatay na to. Kaya, nahihirapan si Zeta maglakad eh. Ayaw ibaba. Eh, tapos meron din palang isang nag-comment din dun sa isa kong video na sabi niya, parang mahirap daw na wala akong sariling pera since ano nga, diba? Ako ay isang stay-at-home mom and wala akong work, so wala akong sariling pera at hindi ko mabili ang aking gusto. Love. There is one person who commented in one of my videos. She said that it might be difficult for me because I must
get all of us in the camera.
Love, if I'm gonna, you move. Okay. That since I'm a stay-at-home mom and I don't have work, I don't have my own money and I can't buy the things that I want.
You have some money, you can buy stuff.
Yeah, so okay lang po na wala akong work kasi my husband gives me an allowance.
If she's lucky.
Whatever, you're giving me an allowance. So yun, binibigyan niya ako ng allowance every week. Pero minsan sumasablay siya.
Every other week. Look at that. Look at that bird. You didn't even see the bird. Look at that. There's the bird.
Ay, naku, love.
Did you see it?
Yeah, there.
I might come back this way.
So, yun. Every other week. Minsan, every week. So, depende sa kanya kung kailan. Pero yun, binibigyan niya ako ng allowance. So, kung meron akong gusto, nabibili ko. And then, yun namang ibang mga kailangan ko, yun, binibili naman sa groceries. Tapos siya pa rin naman ang nagbabayad. So, meron talaga akong pera sa aking bank account.
Show them the truck.
That's the truck.
You gotta take the baby. I want to rattle the exhaust around and see if it's noisy.
So, yun nga po, kagaya ng sinasabi ko, binibigyan niya ako ng allowance and yun, automatic yung tinatransfer niya sa aking bank account dito sa, is that a bank account? Dito sa US. Now, are we gonna do the motorcycle ride?
Yeah, when Rita goes to her...
Can we just go and, go somewhere with Zara? Nahihirapan kasi akong iwanan si Zara. Huh?
We need to go buy light bulbs.
For what?
For this truck, and then put them in.
Yeah, then let's use the other car.
Oh, this is...
Nahihirapan ako iwanan si Zara. Hindi ko alam. Ganun talaga ng pagkananay na. Nagkakaroon ako ng... Love, I'm having separation anxiety with Zara. Ang hirap. I wanna go. Zara and I wanna go with you. We have to use the car. Love, I can't open. Napakahirap namang buksan itong sasakyan na to.
Okay, ask the viewers. Do you think the truck is gonna start or not start?
Sa tingin nyo ba ay...
You could type it in the comments below if you think the truck will start or do you think the truck will not.
So, love, what's gonna happen if it start?
We're gonna walk home.
Are we gonna...
And come back with jumper cables in your car.
Are we gonna talk to the salesperson or to the owner of this?
What? No, he's gone.
He's gone?
Out of the picture.
Why? Is that how it works? Ah, it's Skynet.
It's a good truck.
Yun si Zara. So, syempre, hindi niya kailangan mag-ano din. Well, kailangan niya talagang mag-car seat. Pero, dahil dito lang naman kami sa forest, para lang tayong nasa Pilipinas. Hindi tayo susunod sa rule. I'm telling them it's like when we are in the Philippines. We don't use car seats for babies. Since we're just driving around in the middle of the forest. Pero pagka dyan sa main road, syempre, kailangan natin ng car seat.
I don't want to go over there because I don't want to see that law enforcement officer.
What law enforcement officer?
The law enforcement officer. Who's gonna be over if we try to go over to the river spot. That guy might be down there. He could be anywhere.
What is he doing here? What's his job? Why don't you just do that job instead?
Because you gotta never have been in trouble. If you've been in trouble, you cannot be law enforcement. And I was in trouble.
You tell them about all your naughtiness when you were young. Ano kasi ito, ipasabay ito ng kabataan. Baby.
Yeah, that's right. That's the work. That's why we need to go to this. We need to start doing things that solve our problems instead of just screwing around. The things you want.
I love screwing around.
We need to go get light bulbs for this thing and change the light bulbs.
Nakabalik na kami dito sa aking mga in-laws. Ayan si Zara, nakatulog na siya. Bilis makatulog dito ni baby eh. Kasi ano na rin, time na rin ang kanyang pag-take ng nap. So dito kami sa aking mga in-laws, kakain sila. Ako din kakain. Tapos pagdating ng mother-in-law ko, iwan namin si Zara parang kami, motorcycle ride. Bilang summer na, tinitake advantage namin, and since na-register na rin naman yung kanyang motorcycle dito. So baka may magsabi sa inyo na, bakit hindi ka nagwo-work? Tamad-tamad mo naman. Ano po, mutual decision namin ng aking husband na maging stay-at-home mom ako kasi nga meron kaming 1-year-old na baby. Pwede nyo sabihin na pwede mo namang iwan sa daycare. Mas prefer po namin na ako mismo ang mag-alaga sa aking baby kasi 'di ba sa daycare hindi ka naman sigurado kung naalagaan talaga siya ng maayos. And halo-halo din kasi yung mga bata doon, 'di ba? So yung tendency na mahawa ng sakit, magkasakit yun, malaki. So mas maganda talaga pagka ako ang mismong mag-aalaga sa kanya. And yun ang aming decision namin dalawa bilang mag-asawa. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Up and down. Up and down. Wow, super ganda ng ngayon. Weather. 28 degrees Celsius. Oops, baby. Buburles na si mama sa'yo, ha? Aww. Up and down. What's that? Grass? Natutuwa siya sa mga damo. Dati ayaw niya yan. Ayaw niyang madidikit sa mga damo. Say hi. Hello to the vlog. Where's that at? Up and down. Up. So pupunta kami ngayon ng Chinese buffet restaurant. Inaantay lang namin ang aking mother-in-law. Are we gonna do motorcycle riding? No? Ayan, so hindi na kami mag-motorcycle ride kasi pagod na siya. Next time na lang.
You should tell them I was working all morning.
Yeah. So ayun lang po for today's video, guys. Thank you so much again for supporting Zayda's Mama and Dadda's YouTube channel. See you again soon.
You could show them
Bye.
the Chinese buffet.
I'm ready.
You could show them I'm gonna install the brake lights on the truck. You could show that.
I don't know, Mom. It's not that important.
Doesn't everybody want to see me install the brake lights on the truck? It's very exciting. What's the difference between installing brake lights on the truck and going to Walmart for groceries? It's like
that's why I didn't do the anymore. Grocery shopping this week. Next time ulit mag-grocery shopping tayo.
Whatever. It's gonna be boring next time too.
Say bye, baby. Say bye bye. Busy si Zayda. Bye.
Bye.